yell, bumble, go bad up your mother. You understand? Intro the song, play the song. 4 corner forward, slap with the place. Tear down the place, play whites, and then play right after I play whites, we play squash song, big breeze, fuck up the dance, play about for another 10 minutes. And then the owner of the venue came and said, okay, the people who know the venue know the venue is also a church. So they came and said, oh, we have to lock off the sound now, and leave because they have to empty out the venue, fix up for the church, the early service, the Sunday morning. So we're done. Everybody will have them flyers now. I say people who own the flyers, I set Sunday, so big up the party, them kind of music turn off now. Enjoy the rest of the day, I read the flyers then. And the gentleman was to my body, so right, standing the whole time, you have about 6 or 7. Sit down. And I say, alright, be a man there, so I'm not going to pray. I just read the flyer them and thing. I feel something lick me in my head. That's why I say something drop out of the ceiling and lick me in my head. That's why to God. I hold on to my head and I walk off and I look and I see blood in my hand. I grab my towel, press it on my head and turn on and I look. Some ladies I say are the same youth. Welcome bounce you. Do it. So the man sneak up back on me and lick me with a buckle and run out like a punk. Zane, sneak round, lick me in the buckle and run off like a punk. You understand me I say? Zane, because of the contusion I was there, some nurses were in the club and them say, alright, boom, Triple, have a seat, nobody walk up and down because you bleed and everything. But you don't know, for the persons who know about biology, you know, say, I just work and I run up and down for an hour, run, go this, somebody hot. You understand? So oxygenated blood run and deoxygenated blood run. So anything, head injury, no matter how small it is, you're going to have a lot of bleeding. You understand? After which were there, them say them a call an ambulance. The promoter say nobody wait for the ambulance, just carry him to the hospital. No, nobody wait for the ambulance to come because that will take time and plus I bleed all it. Went outside, jumped in the vehicle, went to the hospital. I not tell a lie. The hospital America, because hospital of Jamaica, England, and I lead. And healthcare free, and I lead. Get you quick and fast. Do whatever scans I have to do. Sort out to do. Got my stitches and was discharged. Then come back to my hotel, wash off, and went to the necessary authorities. You understand me? I say no, that is it for that are it. And I say nothing more for all of the people and we are rejoice. Big up on yourself. You understand? Big up on yourself for all who are rejoice, all who are jump up and thing. Big up on yourself. The work must go on. You understand me? I say, these are youth I've traveled all over the world playing music. And I have never had this type of insult or injury happen to me. You understand? Never. You understand? People who know me know say he's an entertainer, full package. I am not just a selector. I am an entertainer. So when people spend their money and book me, you can expect the best entertainment from me to ignite the crowd. You understand? For the people who say me disrespect people over and over, me I diss people in a crowd and me I diss if anybody send me this time I would have the woman them because the DJ for the woman them, so I talk things for insight reaction out of the woman them mostly. So I would have the woman them would have say me diss them. You understand? Because I'm a man, I'm very cognizant of when I'm absent and like me I eat that. Everybody know say me and I eat that, me and I fool. You understand me I say? Zane? Now for the people I'm saying this man from this area and that area bullshit. You understand? You know the disappointed is some of the people who attack actually have my number and them no call me for see if I'm alright, but them dep on live I say me and them a friend and I'm a brethren and them rate me, but yet still them attack me a lie and them something there. Zane? So they say no, chug it, but the ton of Jamaica and go chug it. The ton of Jamaica and go chug it for you. You understand me? I say the ton of stay at Jamaica and go on and chug it, you understand? But because of the real load I chug it, this event was already booked for him before I chug it. But I try to get a ticket to go back to Jamaica. Early this morning, someone could have catch chug it. But what's we do I go on, I could even get to go to the airport, go sort out, you understand me? I say, but I'm good, you understand me good. I'm not feeling pain right now or nothing. You understand me? I say, I'm there with family and loved ones, so everything good, man. I don't nobody fret, nobody worry. I don't nobody stop call my people in. That's why I'm coming. So everybody call everybody and I stress out everybody. So I'm just put this here so you can do a screen recording. Zane, people them say, where me big up. Show your hospital armband. 4. Zane, for the people them who are saying that I big up this crew and that crew and whatever crew, lie. Not no go so. Nothing at all no go so. I didn't big up no crew. I go everywhere in the world, I go every community, everywhere in Jamaica, I play music. Everywhere I go in America, I go all about in America, I play music. You understand me? Entertain. Zane, I don't business owner like Vibes Cartel, owner rate Vibes Cartel. If you not book me now, if anyway you know say Vibes Cartel, not for play, sorry, I can't do it. I cannot do it. I cannot go in if I can't not play it. That's bad. Knowing say I can't do it, I not take the bookings. You understand? Zane, I play a cartel song and a man say I not for play it back. I get money pull up for pay it back. How much time it was played back? 3 times. I play a couple more songs, then I play a next cartel, and then 10 minutes later after the event done, the coward wait until me I interact with the people and my back turn, him lick me with a buckle and run away like a runway. You understand? This is not a Jamaican who did this, so I don't want anybody to come disrespect the Jamaican diaspora. That is as much as I'm going to say. This was done. Somebody say it was bigging up the place in Jamaica. Which place in Jamaica? Big up the 14th parish in Jamaica. Which place in Jamaica may I big up? That's why you see, when I must don't run with narrative where you see people are going to pray. One thing they show me, because me I see the whole of the screen record them from there, they show me say people are going to make up things, how them feel for make up things. You understand? People are going to make up things and run with any narrative where they want. People are going to make up things and run with everything where they want. So you see everything and everything we see on the internet. The real. The good thing about it, the videos are posted. The entire dance was streamed live, so the live stream is supposed to still there. You can watch but the live stream and see everything I go on. You understand? I never disrespect nobody, I never big up no place, no nothing. First of all, I don't know where England. So the fuck me have a big up place. Zane? So all who taught them something there. Yeah man, Kevin man. And Kevin I'm a G too, because Kevin is a selector, I'm a rich man, I'm a selector Kevin. And Kevin a jump up and run with a narrative. I'm gonna rate that Kevin man. Come on man, you're a big man, I do that something there, brother. If you're gonna be wrong, you don't have to be so wrong and so strong. You understand me I say? You're a big man, bro. You're a big man. If you need my number, you could have said a simple one too. You could have sent me a DM. You could have said some ask me number. My number that hard to forget. I have 4 phones right there, and the 4 phones them I work. One upstairs. I have 4 numbers I have. 90% of Jamaica have 3 of my number. You understand me I say? 90% of Jamaica have 3 of my number them. So you could have said so boom and get my number, ask me. And if you did call me and ask me, but I talk to you, Kevin, because I know I said I go live about it, but I talk to you. You never have to run with that narrative there, brother. Zane, now, big up the well-wishers then, big up the people who are offer me help, big up the people who are offer me service, big up the people who come in the hospital, big up the people, the nurse them, who did in the event where look for me, big up the, big up everybody who are short me, you understand? Zane, but I just one of them things. Zane, I just one of them things. Life goes on. This is not going to stop me from doing what I do. You understand? I don't know. This is... I blame myself too in this whole situation. Because I left my head back careless. Zane, me left my head back careless. So I blame myself in that situation. You understand? This won't happen again. For a fact. You understand? This only make it worse for the people where I look for book me overseas now. It now go work so again. Yeah, it does work, it does make it worse, you know. You understand me? I say certain provisions have to be put in place now. I will learn from the mistake they won't make. I'm a big enough man for them to say, alright, but I make a mistake, but I step into something without proper preparation or deliberation. You understand me? I say? So, you see somebody say on one live today, say Trippple X underestimate who him is, and Trippple X too simple. And because Trippple X is so simple, everybody feel like say them and Trippple X are sides. And these are things on the team at Jamaica, my management team, my security team, my bridging them, my roadie them, always I tell me say me too friendly, I'm too nice, I'm too jovial, I'm chat to everybody, I'm allow everybody to have access to me. Because I honestly do not look at myself as a celebrity, I look at myself as just a normal individual. I do not look at myself as somebody of high repute. I just look at myself as a normal person who just enjoys what I do. So, I go anywhere, everywhere, and I just talk to people everywhere. You know, I don't want them person where I can rush down my car and cut, or rush go in one venue and itch up in a VIP. Man, them say, the book me for a stage event, I don't in the crowd, in the general, me and G them. You understand? I'm a dead. And them things like them, when I don't see artists par with 40, 50 members of entourage and walk with 30,000 man at an event, I wanna laugh and say the artists them love, man. I really and truly have to think about it, say them thing is a possibility. You understand? Because the truth of the matter is we and everybody are go comfortable with 50,000 man around them, and everybody are go have well wishes for you, and everybody are going to be well thinking. You are going to have some individuals that really and truly look for a way for mar your character, or for them just wait on something for happen for you celebrate. And you have to really and truly, this make me looking at myself and say, oh boom, I have to be more cognizant, because what happened to me is not the problem. I have a family, I have a youth, you understand, I live for. I look upon this and say, it's just a buckle. The individual who's going to lick me. You understand? And if, like, when I know yet what they read, we don't know say I just something dermal go on right now. For now, we don't know what long term, but it could have worse. The man could have broke the buckle before him come and use the buckle and stab me in the neck and kill me. You understand? The man could have stabbed me in my side with something. The man could have a gun and shoot me. You understand me? I say, Zine, the man never have to be a coward and lick me from behind and run. You understand me? I said it could have been much worse. And if something did happen to me, what them would have tell my son in the morning when he wake up? One day mother look at my son and tell my son say, when I look forward to see me next week and them thing. When every day my son call me and I count down, Daddy, when you come, look, when you come, every single day my son call me and ask me when I come look for him. Them thing I'm going to put certain things in a perspective where I have to know say, me have to be more cognizant, and me have to be more self-aware, me have to be more aware of my surroundings. You understand? Where people are going to talk now, who are going to end up start say, my hype.